Okay, now it's time to help and release that anxiety with the breath. You're going to take a nice slow deep breath in, feel your belly, your chest. I want you to release it out. Long and slow breath out. Big deep breath in, feel your belly, your chest. Hold at the top and just let it out nice and slow. As if you're breathing out through a straw. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel your body becoming more and more relaxed. Breathe in, breathe out. Long and slow, as if you're breathing out through a straw. Release. Let those feelings rise up as you breathe out. And as you breathe out, you just let them all go. All the way in. Let them go. All the way in. Feel your body and that tension rising up. And as you breathe out, just feel your muscles just melting. Feel your emotions just releasing. All the way in. And out. All the way in. And out. Feel the difference in your body. Feel your mind more relaxed. Your body at ease. In that wonderful space. Enjoy that peace. Just allow your breath to flow naturally and effortlessly. Use this anytime you need to help reduce your anxiety and be calm in the moment. Have a wonderful day.